Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. We're at Walgreens. I gotta pick up my medicine because y'all know I've been sick. So I had to go to the doctor and I'ma do a little couponing. So I'll see y'all inside. I almost came too early because the pharmacy is not even open yet. Darn it. Okay. We're gonna do this deal right here. When you buy two or more Colgate participating products, you get $3 registry reward. I'm starting with 0 registry rewards, but I have a $2. I'm gonna get this one. I got a $2 off of one digital. Okay, I got my two. This is $4.50. This is $4.50. That's $9. I got a $3 off one digital here, $3 off one digital here. I'm gonna pay $3 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back that $3 registry reward, which I'm gonna roll into my next transaction. Okay, this is gonna be my next transaction here. There are 2 for $8, and when you buy two, you get a $3 registry reward. I have a $3 off one digital. That's gonna make it 5, but I'm gonna roll that registry reward from the Colgate deal onto that. So I'm gonna pay 2 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back that $3 registry reward. So that's gonna be free, plus a dollar money maker. Okay, this gonna be my next transaction. When you buy 4 of the ORB, you get a $6 registry reward. So I got 4 of these at $3.50. That's $14. I have a 6 off 4 digital that's gonna come off. I'm gonna roll this registry reward, this $3 registry reward, to help me lower my out of pocket. So I'm gonna pay 5 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back this $6 registry reward, which makes these free plus a dollar money maker. So let's check out, fam.
A few moments later.
Okay, fam, I done made it home. So my first transaction that I did was the Colgate deal. Anytime you're not starting with any register rewards at Walgreens, like I said before, see what you got with the highest value of your digital coupon that you can get register reward back from. So I had two $3 digitals for each one of these. So that's why I did this first. Okay. This was $4.50. This was $4.50. That came to $9. I had $3 off of one digital, $3 off one digital. That took $6 off. I paid $3 out of pocket, but I got back the $3 register reward. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see the Colgate 360 toothbrush, $4.50. The Colgate toothpaste, $4.50. My two $3 off of one digital coupons. I paid 3 out of pocket. I got back that $3 registry reward, but I rolled it into my next transaction. Okay, this is my next transaction. Walgreens had them on sale, as I showed you guys. They 2 for $8. I had a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and I rolled my register reward from here onto here to lower my out of pocket. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see both of them rung up $4 each. You see the $3 off one digital coupon, the $3 off one $3 register reward. Forgive me, fam. Still under the weather. I paid $2 out of pocket. I got back my $3 register reward, which made these free plus a dollar money maker. But I rolled that register reward onto my next and final transaction. Okay, here's my last transaction that I did. They have ORB. When you buy 4, you get a $6 register reward. I had a 6 off 4 digital coupon. These was $3.50 each. The $6 digital coupon came off, and I rolled my register reward from this transaction onto here. And I paid $5 out of pocket, and I got back the $6 registry reward. So this was free plus $1 moneymaker. Now let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. The subtotal for each one of the the subtotal for the toothbrushes was $14. They $3.50 each. You see the $3 registry reward that I rolled from here onto here. And you see the $6 digital coupon that I had. I paid $5 out of pocket, and I got back that $6 registry reward. So this was a dollar money maker. Free plus $1 money maker. So with my subtotal being $5 out of pocket here, $2 out of pocket here, $3 out of pocket here, that brought this, I went in with $10 and I did that. But this was free plus a moneymaker because $1 moneymaker here, $1 moneymaker here, free product here. Always, fam, always, whenever you are couponing, if you can't get your products free to where you get your money back, like with this here, even though I paid $3 out of pocket, but I got back that $3 registry reward, so that makes this free. Even though I paid $2 out of pocket, I got back the $3 registry reward, which that made this $1 money maker. Free plus $1 money maker. Even though I paid $5 out of pocket for this, I got back this $6 registry reward, which made this free plus a money maker. $1 money maker. So always, always, fam, when you couponing, little to no out of pocket. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. I'm still kind of under the weather, but I had to go by Walgreens to get my medicine, so I did some couponing. And even though it's repetitive of the things that Walgreens have on sale, some weeks you can go without because you have enough. But if you can get it for free, get it for free. Give me the thumbs up, fam. Comment down below and let me know, have y'all couponing this week. Until the next video, y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye, fam.